Alright, so what's up, Berritos? Welcome to another social media quickie. So make sure that you've checked out the latest social media countdown. So let me just give you a rundown of some of the things that I will be talking about for today. So I'm going to talk about Footah hype versus Intence. Also, I'm going to give you an update on what's going on with Tommy Lee, as well as I'm going to discuss the whole entire thing with Footah versus Lisa hype and some look at other things. So let's jump into the quick running. Alright, so on a sad note, sorry for start off the way here, but one of quad bridge in them called Booker, you know, him lose him life the other day. He is a bike rider, and sadly he met in an accident with one truck, and the truck, you know, must run over him, and sadly he lost his life. And we see some pictures and images of that whole entire accident, and Quada was on the scene pretty quickly. And yeah, one of the moments there when I like to see certain you just I kind of show them emotion, because it make you actually feel a little way too and want to get emotional as well. And so yeah, another sad moment as well is that one of the very popular dancers by the name of Laba Laba, you know, him passed away recently. And so condolences to his family, and many of you who grew up and watch Pasa videos them and all of them little stuff there from in the early 2000s, you would have known Laba Laba as one of them older dancers there in the mix, and always represents at a lot of these street dances.
Showtime, Laba Laba, showtime!
And yes, so let me just tell you about an update we're going with Tommy Lee. So recently, me mind my business, and I see this update come in, and it basically says, just in, the police have named entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta as a person of interest. It said he is being advised to report to the Freeport police station by midday tomorrow. Law enforcement sources say that police went to question Tommy Lee Sparta about an upsurge in violence in Flanker. Now, them says sources close to the entertainer says that Lee denies any wrongdoing. Lee's given name is Leroy Russell Jr. So I just hope that this was just something that will just blow up in a couple of weeks, couple of days, in a similar way to what happened when Dexter Daps was actually named as a person of interest. We just hope that it is just, you know, a matter of them just trying to get a little information, and that the artists themselves are not really, you know, a part of any major wrongdoing like that. So more to know what you think about this in the comment section. So now let me just talk to about this little drama we are going between Footah versus Lisa hype. So recently Footah did take to our page when the whole little apology going between Spice and Lisa hype, and Footah did put up a little thing where say, you know, basically I say, and every little apology, you know, follow up, you know, basically everybody normally mean them apology when them say it. And so it look like say Lisa hype her, never take kindly to that. She never like the little message in there from Footah, and you know, Lisa took to fear social media and decided to just, you know, drop some little words for Footah.
Footah no apology, and Footah go f*** a dog. You know me no business. Footah go f*** a dog. Boy, you not think it real. Who is you? Who is you? Who is you? Who is do? Me no owe you none. None you not get. So go and chat. None you not get. You not get no apology from me. You salt like. Just love me here, love me, nothing about me not change. Leave me alone. I apologize to Spice, and it was sincere. If it never sincere, it would come out of my mouth. Nobody can draw me out. Every minute when I talk about stop make them dry out. Nobody can draw me out. I talk when I feel for talk.
So after that, now Footah go put up the picture here. We say, you know, from you see me, you see dancehall. But the caption says, my caption always a kill people. Kiss my ass, BITCH. From you see me, you see dancehall. So clearly, me just made say, yo, that must be a little throw word for Lisa hype. And Lisa hype then went back to fair social media now and forgot kind of say them something here about Footah. And Footah put up video basically. I do not know, but like them ladies here, I hope so they just kind of squash it. But at the end of the day, you have to understand, say, an artist will literally go on with the little things them just because it's going to give them a little buzz for a period. You have to remember, say, you know, I am Footah. She have a new song right now about the place with name Curfew. And so she in a promotion season. And Lisa, I same thing she did on the Dance and Divas album with Vibes Cartel. So sometimes if the little drama for go on, for kind of get people talking and getting them name out there, they have to just kind of do it and them don't really mean nothing buy it personally. I just look a professional Ray where you have to go on with more times. Spice know about it. So yeah, that is what me just feel about it. So them not really take this too serious. It's just the entertainment business. Now finally no more I forgot to talk about this thing where I go on between Footah Hype and Intence. No, let me just tell you this. I don't know where it starts from. I do not know what is the genesis. But basically, I think Footah Hype might have said something. So if you know, let me know in the comments. Footah Hype must have said something, I guess, in regard to Intence. And then Intence took it up now and posted this video showing, I guess, a recording session of a new song. And posted it on his page. And in it, they have a little line for Footah Hype. Pray.
Like I every other day, them find sitting over try. Them no mention my name, them no feeling on the light. And to home, a little Brucey, could go without a night. No girl can't style me, suck your mother Footah. Keep yourself to yourself, no you know everybody yeah. Know a few worry, I know everybody that. Lion no afraid to talk, Frank swing the berry time. One piece I feel my right, who no one.
Alright, Intence, okay, alright. When I see that, I kind of say, wait, what go on? But I just made say, I feel like say Footah Hype might have said something, I don't know what happened. But knowing Footah Hype, anything is anything. So then after that, now Footah Hype go on him Instagram now and go drop the post here with the caption, where say the look I give when the person you tell me say the little sprat DJ say, "Es your mother Footah Hype." I have one question for him. Why you do it, Drunkro? Why you be Clark do it? And okay, that is just usual Footah Hype tracing fashion, and so that is what he said. And so me I figure say yo, everything they just got just easy and just kind of squash. But then Footah Hype went back. Wait. So before that, now somebody in the comment section say you should have never do it because Footah do voodoo. Look for see him crash by next week. This man deep in a Obeah and him ancestors don't play. And the person tagged Footah Hype music. To which Footah Hype replied and say you better tell them. No. I guess I just gimmicks and once again at the entertainment business, but hey, I certain little things where you don't play with in a life and the little cushion show, the little boom shalashon gashman, there's something there. Yeah, and I really play with it, but I guess Footah Hype I make it know, say yo, him know the little Obeah things them, the little things them, so you know I do not know, but the Obeah never too strong for me. I shall not stay in him life, but it look like same of empowers them outside of that. So then now Footah Hype take it off notch further now and he put up this picture where say Intence life matter. We won't be silent. No justice, no peace. It's a boys who are, you know, sexually abused have serious problems. It affects victims mentally. That's why they hate females, bleach out their skin, leave their ass exposed all the time. At Intence Badness Jet Life, the family court is open all week. Please get help. And one of them things there where I guess for the gimmicks they were like yeah, but I don't find this I don't find this hilarious. I don't find it funny. It's something very pleb, but also that type of pleb mentality is the epitome of Footah Hype. So I don't think it should necessarily come as a shocker. But yeah, something about that. I mean, I understand the role that he has in the dancehall space, which is just to really be an instigator and to be somebody who basically just lashes for the sake of the Ray, the boy, and the lad. But at some point in time, you have to hold people accountable and you just have to say like, you're kind of being a little bit too much of a mess. And it just not get cool or amusing anymore. You kind of, you know, that's just it. I just hope say, you know, Intence just ignore it, Footah Hype just drop it, and both of them just try to be great in them respective fields, because right about now, them type of energy here is really not needed in Jamaica. As I said, there's greater things out there for kind of deal with as a people. And yeah, that is just what me have to say about the matter. But one for here when you think about this whole back and forth, like yeah, you don't jump around or play around with stuff like, you know, like rape and people who have been abused like that. Me personally, I don't think it amuses me. I'm amusing at all. But yeah, so let's wrap up with the final issue now. So we're gonna talk about Jada Kingdom being a YamHead. Okay. Alright, so on our live last night, Jada Kingdom put up this video now and basically I talk about the things that she are getting out of the bedroom nowadays and why she like it and why it is making her be a full YamHead.
Yes. You were still tough after it come. Bless. Blessing her? No, sir, I never get a yet where I can bust 3 times and it still stand up. Oh, me one bless her. So my head not for yam? My head not for turn yam for this? Me a big yam head for that yam. I ask. How can I not be? No, sir, how is this?
Alright, Jada. Alright, no shame in your game. Well, if I saw your life, I go on right now, like, big up yourself. I'm glad to say you know, yeah, get a little smilings a go on and say everything kind of happy. And it look like said a little good mood there, make you feel like you want to apologize with Shensi and all them little things there. So I'm kind of glad say that is what is going on in your life right now. And I hope it stay there forever and forever because you say, yeah, made things because you get the 3 round and still stand up type of thing in your life right now, Jada. So yeah, that is it for the social media quickie. Oh God, it's a belch. That is it for the countdown quickie. Make sure so you hit the thumbs up button, you leave a comment, and then you share as well. Alright, so you know, peace out. Make sure so you go and check out my new channel. It is called Duttyberry Uncut. Duttyberry is one word. The link is going to be right here side in the description. Make sure you say go and subscribe to it. I'm gonna start drop the videos them over there soon. Alright, peace out, Berritos.